Hi, I'm Judy of The Crafty in Me. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a handmade card using Mintay Papers and just a paper trimmer or scissors. You probably heard the phrase, let the paper do the work. That's exactly what Mintay designs do. Even without fancy tools like die cutting machines, embossing, or stamping, you can create stunning cards simply by highlighting the paper itself. For this project, we will be using Mintay Papers City of Love collection, focusing on the 6x6 paper pads, ephemera die cuts, and the chipboard stickers for the sentiments. We will also be using some plain colored cardstocks for the matting, of course some scissors, and the Be Happy 12-in-1 paper trimmer. We will be using 4.5 by 6 inches white card base, Burley Art glue, and Be Happy foam tapes. I start by choosing a card pattern background from the Mintay Papers 6x6 pad. Since it's double-sided, I can play with two designs using just one sheet. Next, I select a plain cardstock to match. For this project, I'm using Be Happy pastel pink cardstock as it contrasts beautifully with the green pattern design. Using the Be Happy 12-in-1 paper trimmer, I cut the pink cardstock to 4.25 by 5.25 inches, slightly smaller than my card base. Then I trim the pattern paper to 4 by 5.5 inches. From the leftover pattern paper, I tear off one edge to create an organic torn look. I use the reverse side of that design for added detail. Now it's time to choose the focal pieces. I'm using the ephemera die cuts of the same collection. And when I start arranging them, I notice the busy background makes the ephemera blend in too much. To fix that, I cut another piece of pastel pink cardstock that will give my focal pieces a clean backdrop. Once I'm happy with the arrangement, I begin gluing everything down layer by layer. To avoid a flat look, I use foam tape to elevate some elements. This adds depth and dimension to the card. And as you can see here, I'm trying to maximize every element of my foam tapes. It is also a habit of mine to use glue against the foam tapes because over time, the stickiness of the foam tapes disappears. So adding glue makes it adhere to the card or paper permanently. For the sentiment, I select It's a Perfect Chemistry phrase from the Mintay Papers chipboard stickers. I first mount it on a pastel pink cardstock again, then glue it onto the card for a framed effect. Then I glue the patterned cardstock to my pink mat, then onto my card base. And that's it. You're done. See how easy it is? You don't need advanced card making skills to create something beautiful. Sometimes it's just about having the courage to cut into those gorgeous pattern papers and let them shine. This is Judy of The Crafty in Me. Thank you for watching this tutorial at Be Happy Crafts channel. Until next time, bye for now!